Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel News for Tunes. Today we'll discuss about how to how to recover deleted Instagram photos. Deleted Instagram photos. Part 1. If you accidentally if you accidentally delete an Instagram post, delete an Instagram post you want to keep, you want to keep, you still have access to it. You still have access to it for 30 days and can recover for 30 days and can recover it at any time. You will need to do this from the Instagram app, on iPhone or Android device. As the web browser version doesn't allow you to access deleted content. Doesn't allow you to access deleted content. Here is a step-by-step tutorial. Here is a step-by-step tutorial. Number 1. Open Instagram and tap the Instagram profile icon. Open Instagram and tap the Instagram profile icon. In the bottom right corner. Of the screen to access your profile pages. Of the screen to access your profile page. Tap the three line icon in the top right corner of the screen. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe my channel.